making smoked sockeye salmon spread. We'll put on some crackers and have something tasty to eat. So far I put 1 package of cream cheese, 8 ounces. Supposed to use 2 packages. I didn't want to use 2. I don't want to eat that much of it. And I believe 12 ounces of sockeye. We'll see how much I like to put in there. I put 2 tablespoons of diced green onion in already. Just smashing it around, getting it soft. Try to do with one hand. And then I'll be putting in some Worcestershire, Tabasco, a couple drops of that, the salmon, and I'll let you see how that goes. So I just added the Worcestershire and Tabasco. I'm also going to be adding 1 tablespoon of dill I have frozen from the summer. And it's nice because when it's frozen, you can just crumble it up in the bag and take what you need and sprinkle it in. Also, maybe thinking 6 ounces of sockeye salmon, maybe 12. I have a little scale here I can use. I'll show you as it comes along. All right, the big reveal. So I didn't stir it up super great, but these crackers are pretty good. They're actually really great. They have enriched flour. You can see it right there. All the good stuff. Not too bad. Anyways, here we go. Try to get this in here. Well, anyways, you get the idea. Put that on a cracker. Good stuff. Sockeye salmon spread. Anyways, I'm gonna put a little bit more on there and I'll wolf that down. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. And have good luck with your Sockeye King and Coho salmon. This salmon was from Salmon, Alaska. My wife and I caught a bunch of them. It was a great run. There's a little bit of shot of that. It has dill that I think I said earlier was frozen, and got to take out a tablespoon of that. You can do half for 6 ounces or 1 tablespoon for 12 ounces. Take a snab at this. That's good. You'll like it.